Exercising is just not only important for a physical health but also for a mental health. But what if you're not able to take out time for exercise because of a busy schedules? What if you're not exercising daily because of lack of time? Well then, walking daily is also a very great exercise option which is very good for our health. If you're confused and wondering whether this is true or not, or wondering what will happen in our body if we walk every day, then stay tuned and keep watching this video to know all the incredible benefits of walking daily, which have been backed by science and proven by research. And so, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome again to Lifestyle Speaks channel. My name is Dr. Surangna and I make videos related to healthy living, nutritious foods and ways to bring inner peace for a healthy lifestyle. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon in the end to get latest updates from Lifestyle Speaks. For a healthy living, physical activity is very important. But physical activity need not only be vigorous or serious strength training in the gym or exercising for long hours to enjoy the benefits of good health. Walking is also one form of physical activity or exercise which requires no equipment. All you need is a pair of walking shoes. It can be done at any time of the day and it can be done at our own pace. Plus, it has no risks that are associated with certain vigorous exercise trainings. Along with being a physical activity, walking daily can also be a mental boost for us, which can help us to achieve a fitness and weight loss goals, prevent certain diseases, and allow us to live longer. And the best part is that there's so many scientific research studies which have been done, which back as to why walking daily is an effective part of one's fitness routine. And so let us know all about it. Walking daily can burn calories, which is very important for maintaining and losing weight. The amount of calories that we can burn from walking depends on our weight and how far and how fast we walk. There are many research studies which indicate that if we are able to walk up to 10,000 steps a day, it can benefit our overall health and wellness. And in addition to burning calories, walking daily can also burn fat in our body by boosting metabolism. And this is important for weight loss because excessive fat in our body can otherwise result in weight gain. But if you want to lose fat through walking, you need to walk at a faster rate so that the heart rate also increases and body's metabolism is boosted. Daily walking is a form of aerobic exercise which can increase our heart rate and also blood circulation in our body. And that is why it is a very good way to strengthen our heart. There are many studies which have indicated a link between daily walking and good cardiovascular health because walking can lower our blood pressure, can balance our cholesterol levels, and can improve oxygen circulation in our body. According to a study which has been published in the European Journal of Epidemiology, walking daily for 30 minutes can reduce our risk of coronary heart disease by about 19%. When we are tired, then walking can actually give our energy levels a boost. And this is because walking can improve oxygen circulation in our body and increase the production of certain hormones like cortisol, epinephrine and norepinephrine, which are known to elevate our energy levels. Plus, when we go out for our walk, our body gets exposed to the sun, which allows for vitamin D synthesis to take place, which is very important for good energy levels and overall health. Also, when we go out for a walk, we are able to connect with nature, which gives both our body and mind an energy boost. With age, our bones and joints start to degenerate. But regular walking can basically build strength and endurance in our bones and joints. With regular walking, our legs and leg muscles also become stronger, mainly the calves and the hamstring. A research study has been done which has found that if you walk daily for 15 minutes after any meal, it can improve a body's blood sugar levels, which is great. But many research studies are still being done on it. Walking is very good for our mental health too. There are many research studies which indicate that if you walk daily for 30 minutes, it can help to reduce stress, anxiety and depression. It can also promote a positive mood and boost our self-esteem by producing certain hormones in our body that are referred to as endorphins that can allow us to feel happy. Walking daily can actually relax our mind and bring it into a more peaceful and calmer state, which allows for mental clarity and allows us to think creatively. It has been found from many studies that if we go for a walk daily, it can clear our mind and allow thoughts and ideas to come into our mind that can enhance our creativity. Walking daily can boost our body's immunity and can reduce the risk of developing upper respiratory tract infections like cold, flu, etc. And there are many studies done which have observed the same. If we take a walk after any meal, it can stimulate digestion in our body by allowing easier digestion of the foods that we eat. And there have been studies which have found the effectiveness of post-meal walking on digestion of our body because it allows for easier passing of the foods through our stomach. Research suggests that walking daily at a slow pace can reduce our risk of death by 20%, whereas daily walking at a fast pace can reduce that same risk by 24%. Walking can provide the daily recommended exercise for everyone, irrespective of their age and fitness levels. And to get the maximum health benefits out of walking, it is important that we walk at least 30 minutes daily as fast as we can most of the time. You can start walking for small duration, that is about 10 minutes, which you can increase gradually as soon as your body starts getting used to it. Some ways that we can adopt in our life to build more walking in our daily routine is by taking the stairs over the elevator, moving our body every 30 minutes when sitting, walking to the nearby local shop to purchase something rather than driving, and just see the difference it brings into your life. So that's it for today. I hope you understood the benefits of walking daily and you try to incorporate more walking in your life and also as a part of your exercise routine and see the benefits it brings to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and comment below to share your thoughts. Love your life and make it charismatic. See you again next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.